Most people walk into Dollar Tree expecting to find a few basics and leave it at that. But right now in June, that store is quietly doing something different. If you know what to look for, you can walk out with garden supplies that actually hold up, look good, and cost a fraction of what you'd pay anywhere else. The surprising part isn't just what's there, it's how useful some of it becomes once you get it home and start using it in your garden. Welcome back to Gardens Heaven. Today we're going through 10 Dollar Tree finds that are worth paying attention to this month, especially if you're trying to stretch your garden budget without cutting corners on results. I've pulled together items that can help with planting, decorating, supporting your plants, and even adding a bit of life and structure to your outdoor space. So if you're ready, stick around, because some of these are the kind of things you'll wish you grabbed more of while you still had the chance. Now, let's get into it. Find number 1, potting mix. Potting mix may not be the most exciting item in the garden section, but it might be the most useful. June is one of the busiest months for container gardening, transplanting, and refreshing tired plants, which means a good bag of potting mix can save the day more often than you might expect. Whether you're moving seedlings into larger containers, filling empty pots, or topping off raised beds, having extra potting mix on hand makes every gardening project easier. It's one of those supplies you never seem to need until suddenly you need a lot of it. The real value comes from convenience and versatility. A quality potting mix provides better drainage and aeration than ordinary garden soil, helping container plants establish strong roots and maintain healthy growth throughout the summer. Instead of making a special trip to a garden center every time you run low, you can pick up a bag while you're already shopping and keep it ready for future projects. It may not be the flashiest purchase in the store, but it's certainly one of the smartest, and it's something nearly every gardener can put to good use immediately. Find number 2, garden fencing panels. Sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference, and these garden fencing panels are a perfect example. A flower bed can be filled with beautiful plants, but without a defined border, it can still look unfinished. These simple panels create clean edges that instantly make garden beds appear more organized and well-maintained. Whether you're outlining a walkway, protecting flowers from being stepped on, or simply adding a decorative touch, they help bring structure to the landscape without requiring a major project. Another reason gardeners love these panels is how easy they are to install. There's no digging, no special tools, and no complicated setup. Just connect the sections and place them where you need them. The result is a neat polished appearance that gives the garden a more intentional design. If you happen to spot them in stock, consider grabbing more than you think you'll need. They tend to disappear quickly, and once you've used them in one area of the yard, you'll probably start finding plenty of other places where they can improve the look of your garden. Find number 3, bird feeder and bath stake. One of the easiest ways to make a garden feel alive is to invite more wildlife into it, and that's exactly what this bird feeder and bath stake does. The moment birds discover a reliable source of food and water, you'll start seeing more activity throughout your yard. Watching colorful visitors stop by during the day adds an entirely new layer of enjoyment to gardening. It's a simple feature, but it can quickly become one of the most entertaining parts of your outdoor space. What makes this find especially appealing is that it serves both a practical and decorative purpose. Even when birds aren't visiting, the metal design adds height and visual interest among flowers and shrubs. Place it near a seating area, a flower bed, or somewhere visible from a window, and you'll have a front row seat to nature's daily show. For just a few dollars, it's an easy upgrade that brings beauty, movement, and a little extra life to the garden all season long. Find number 4, seed packets. One of the smartest purchases you can make at Dollar Tree in June is a handful of seed packets. Many gardeners assume spring is the only time to start seeds, but that's simply not true. Fast-growing crops like beans, cucumbers, squash, and even sunflowers still have plenty of time to produce before the season ends. At such a low price, seed packets allow you to fill empty spots in the garden, start a second planting of your favorite vegetables, or experiment with something you've never grown before, without worrying about wasting money. The beauty of buying inexpensive seeds is the freedom it gives you to garden more creatively. If a crop doesn't perform the way you hoped, you haven't lost much. If it thrives, you've produced an abundance of flowers or vegetables for just a few cents per plant. Many experienced gardeners keep extra seed packets on hand throughout the summer, because they know there are always gaps to fill, containers to refresh, and opportunities to extend the harvest. For value alone, it's hard to find a better deal anywhere in the garden section. Find number 5, gladiolus and anemone bulbs. If you're looking for a simple way to add a burst of color to your garden, don't walk past the gladiolus and anemone bulbs. These little packages may not look like much, but they're packed with potential. Once planted, gladiolus bulbs send up tall flower spikes covered in vibrant blooms that instantly draw attention, while anemones produce cheerful, colorful flowers that brighten up beds, borders, and containers. June is still a great time to get them in the ground, giving them plenty of warm weather to establish themselves and put on a beautiful show. What makes these bulbs such a great find is the value they offer compared to what you'd typically pay at a nursery or garden center. A few dollars can fill an entire section of the garden with blooms that look far more expensive than they are. They're also excellent for cutting gardens, allowing you to bring fresh flowers indoors throughout the season. If you enjoy gardens that provide both beauty outside and bouquets inside, this is one Dollar Tree purchase that's well worth making before the shelves are cleared out. Find number 6. Garden tools. Every gardener knows that having the right tool within reach can make a job 10 times easier. And that's exactly why Dollar Tree's garden tools deserve a spot on this list. Simple items like hand trowels and 3-prong cultivators may not be glamorous, but they're the tools you'll reach for again and again throughout the growing season. Whether you're transplanting seedlings, digging small holes, loosening compacted soil, or mixing fertilizer into containers, these basic tools handle countless everyday tasks around the garden. One of the biggest advantages is that you can afford to keep several of them on hand. Instead of constantly walking back to the shed looking for the one trowel you own, you can leave a few in different parts of the yard, greenhouse, or potting area. They're also perfect for gardeners who enjoy working alongside grandchildren, since you don't have to worry about expensive equipment getting misplaced. For such a small investment, these tools deliver convenience, practicality, and plenty of value throughout the entire gardening season. Find number 7. Terracotta pots. Terracotta pots are one of those timeless garden essentials that never go out of style. While many inexpensive planters are made from thin plastic, real terracotta offers a classic look that instantly makes plants feel more special. The natural clay material allows air and moisture to move through the pot walls, helping roots stay healthier and reducing the chance of overwatering. Whether you're growing herbs, succulents, flowers, or small vegetables, these pots provide an attractive home that works just as well indoors as it does outside. Another reason to grab them when you see them is their versatility. A few small terracotta pots lined up on a windowsill can create a charming herb garden, while larger ones can become focal points on a porch, patio, or garden path. Considering what similar clay pots often cost at garden centers and home improvement stores, finding them at Dollar Tree feels like a bargain that's almost too good to pass up. Find number 8. Plant mister. The plant mister is one of those gardening tools that many people overlook until they actually start using one. Unlike a watering can or hose that can sometimes be too harsh for delicate plants, a mister delivers a fine, gentle spray that's perfect for seedlings, cuttings, newly rooted plants, and even indoor houseplants. During the warm days of June, a quick mist can help young plants stay refreshed without soaking the soil, making it easier to care for tender growth during the hottest part of the season. What really makes this little tool worth picking up is how often you'll find yourself reaching for it. It can be used to increase humidity around tropical plants, clean dust from leaves, and gently water seeds that haven't fully sprouted yet. Many gardeners discover that once they own a plant mister, it becomes part of their daily routine. For such a small investment, it provides a level of precision and convenience that can make caring for your plants both easier and more enjoyable. Find number 9. Metal trellis. A metal trellis may not seem exciting sitting on a store shelf, but once you bring it home and put it to work, you'll quickly see why it's one of the best bargains in the garden section. Climbing plants naturally want to grow upward, and a trellis gives them the support they need while keeping them off the ground. Whether you're growing cucumbers, beans, sweet peas, or decorative vines, this simple structure helps create a healthier growing environment by improving airflow and allowing sunlight to reach more of the plant. Beyond its practical benefits, a trellis adds instant vertical interest to your garden. Instead of everything growing at ground level, you create height, texture, and dimension that make even a small garden look more professionally designed. As the season progresses and the vines begin to cover the framework, it becomes a beautiful living feature that draws attention and adds character to the space. Considering what similar trellises often cost at garden centers, finding one at Dollar Tree feels like discovering a hidden treasure. Find number 10. Solar stake lights. If there's one item that consistently delivers the biggest visual impact for the smallest price, it's the solar stake light. During the day they blend right into the garden, but once evening arrives they completely transform the space. A row of these tucked along a flower bed, pathway or garden border creates a warm glow that makes the entire yard feel more polished and welcoming. The best part is that there are no wires to bury, no batteries to replace, and no complicated setup. Just place them where they'll receive sunlight and let nature do the work. What makes these lights even more valuable is how versatile they are. You can group several together for a dramatic effect, use them to highlight your favorite plants, or place them near patios and walkways for added visibility after dark. Some gardeners even get creative by mounting them on taller stakes to create custom landscape lighting that looks far more expensive than it actually is. For around the price of a cup of coffee, you can completely change the atmosphere of your garden every single night. And there you have it, 10 Dollar Tree finds that can genuinely make a difference in your garden this June, without putting pressure on your wallet. From lighting up your pathways in the evening to supporting your climbing plants, filling empty beds, and even bringing a bit more life into your yard, it's a reminder that good gardening doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to be intentional. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let me know which one you're grabbing first, or if there's a hidden Dollar Tree garden find I missed. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next on Gardens Heaven. Until then, happy gardening and take care of your space.